Hello friends, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 2D drawings in SolidWorks software. I already made 3D modeling, just I will convert this into 2D. Control N, select drawing, select the template, which template you want. Just click the model, place the views wherever you want, front, side, top and ISO view. So this is not required. Select this, hidden lines visible. For ISO, click the visible with edges. So dimensions, select smart dimension. As I told you in the last class, remove the zeros. I will show you. 98. These 2-digit zeros we don't require. We required only for the tolerance dimensions. From year to year 20. This is 6 mm. Year to year 14. This is 70. Okay, in this front view, what else is remaining? This width we want. For this, give from the side here to here 42 and this thickness is 14 mm. That's it in the front view. In the side view, select here to here center 41. This is 42 mm. This diameter is 20 mm. In the top view, whole dimensions. Friends, you can observe my last videos. I made only 2 views. In this 3 views is there because these 2 whole dimensions we cannot cover in the side and front views. Select from the side 24 mm from the side, pitch is 50 mm. This is 21 mm. give the hole diameter. Here select, actually 2 holes is there, 2 into dia 12 mm. Apply. I hope all the dimensions are covered, friends. Here fillet is there. Give typical. Apply. I will change this color, friends. And increase the scale also. Select note without leader. Front view. This is ISO. Side view. Top view. In the side view we can give this dimension 21. I hope all the dimensions are covered, friends. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching this session, and also I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me.